A shocking case of carelessness and apathy coming to light at a maternity hospital in the heart of Hyderabad. There's been no electricity for the last 4 months because a bill of 72,000 rupees was not paid for about a year. Uma Sudhir brings you a first-hand account of the state of affairs.
Shocking state of affairs at a primary urban health center in the heart of Hyderabad. This is meant to be a 6-bedded hospital, but for the last 4 months, this has had no current at all. It is actually a maternity center, and there are 7 ANMs, 3 of them also on field duty. But you can see the state of the beds itself. None of them, no patients here at all, even though this hospital is supposed to cater to a population of 70,000 people, to the lowest strata of the population. As you can see, the status of the beds, all of them torn. The reason is that there has been no electricity here for the last 4 months. Sister, आप यहाँ पे काम करते हैं, क्या reason है कि यहाँ पे कोई आ नहीं रहे हैं, सिर्फ आउटपेशेंट आप देख रहे हैं?
अब हमारे पास फरवरी से 24 से करंट नहीं है मैडम. वो पेशेंट्स को बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा, इम्यूनाइजेशन के लिए भी मुश्किल हो रहा. डिलीवरी इससे पहले होने वालों को भी पैसे नहीं है उन लोगों के पास. इधर आए तो भी उन लोग भी दूसरे हॉस्पिटल जाने को बहुत
72,000 रुपीस है बिल आपका. लेकिन पिछले 1 साल से भी नहीं पे किया, आप ये बता रहे थे.
अभी 1 साल से हम बिल भेजते रहते, लेटर लिख के भेजते रहते, उन लोगों नहीं दे रहे बिल.
आप यहाँ पे पहली बार आ रहे हैं या पहले भी आ चुके हैं?
मैं पहले भी आ चुका है. ये मेरा 3rd डिलीवरी है. पहले 2 डिलीवरीज यहाँ पर हुआ. अभी बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा. स्टाफ अच्छा है लेकिन डिलीवरी के लिए करंट नहीं है बोल के दूसरे जगह पे बिचा रहे. वो बहुत मुश्किल होता हमको.
This is the labor room, but no deliveries have been taking place here for the last 4 months because there is no current supply. यहाँ पे अगर कोई इमरजेंसी आता है तो भी आपको कहीं और ही डायरेक्ट करना पड़ता है लोगों को.
ఎస్ మేడం, ఇక్కడ చాలా కేసులు వస్తుంటాయి, డెలివరీ కేసెస్. ఇప్పుడు చాలా పేషెంట్ చాలా సఫర్ అవుతున్నారు. డెలివరీస్ స్టాప్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ట్యూబెక్టమీస్, వ్యాసెక్టమీస్ అన్నీ చర్యలన్నీ ఇక్కడ బంద్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇంకొకటి ఇక్కడ మెడికల్ ఆఫీసర్స్ కూడా జనవరి నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఎవరు లేరండి. ఇంకా అన్ని స్టాఫ్ తర్వాత ఇన్ఛార్జెస్ మేడమ్స్ చూసుకుంటున్నారు.
So there have been no medical doctors here, in fact, for the last several months. No current, so no sterilization of equipment. All the infrastructure here only being used as an outpatient center. In fact, right beside this is in fact an operation theatre where camps used to be held for family planning, for tubectomy operations. But because there is no electricity, no current supply, this has also been stopped. No tubectomy operations, no vasectomy operations. So the family planning camps are not happening here. If the population here needs it, they need to be taken to some other center so that it can be performed there. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.